Hello, good morning students. Now we have start chapter 5. Next topic is topic conversion of mixed fraction to improper fraction. Okay, look at this. A mixed fraction is converted to improper fraction by the rule shown here. Formula is whole numerator upon denominator is equal to whole multiplied denominator plus numerator upon denominator. Look at this. Now example is express 4 5 upon 6 as an improper fraction. This is mixed fraction, convert into improper fraction. 4 5 upon 6 is equal to 6 multiply 4 plus 5 upon 6. 6 4 jar 24 plus 5 upon 6. 24 plus 5 is equal to 29 upon 6. The fraction would be 4 5 by 6 is equal to 6 4 jar 24 plus 5 is equal to 29 by 6. Okay student, look here. Now next is equivalent fraction. Look at this. Show the diagram. This is two part. Shaded part is 1. So fraction is 1 by 2. Fraction is 2 by 4. And fraction is 3 by 6. Okay. Therefore, these are called equivalent fractions. Note, an equivalent fraction is one that has the same value and position on the number line but has a different denominator and numerator. Okay, look at this. There are two ways of finding equivalent fraction. First is by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by same number, and second part by dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Okay student, look at this. For example, find equivalent fraction of 1 upon 2. Okay, look at this. 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 multiplied 2 upon 2. Both part are same, numerator and denominator. 2 1 ja 2 upon 2 2 ja 4. So fraction is 2 by 4. 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 upon 3. So equivalent fraction is 3 1 ja 3 upon 3 2 ja 6. So fraction is 3 by 6. Okay, look at this. Now next example, find the equivalent fraction of 15 upon 35 with the denominator as 7. Okay, look at this. 15 upon 35 is equal to, this is missing number, upon 7. So 15 is divided unknown number upon 35 is divided unknown number. We know that 35 is divided 5. 5 7 ja 35. Okay. So 15 is divided by 5. 5 3 ja 15 and 35 is divided by 5. 5 7 ja 35. So missing number is 3. Okay student, look at this. 5 3 ja 15. Look at this. Now next topic, like and unlike fractions. Okay, look at this. Observe the following fractions: 7 upon 4, 6 upon 4, 29 upon 4, 34 upon 4 and 5 upon 4 and so on. Denominator is same. Look at this. All the above fractions have the same denominators. Okay, such fractions are called like fractions because the same denominator. This is like fractions. Okay. Observe the following fractions: 7 upon 4, 6 upon 9, 29 upon 12, 19 upon 34, 6 upon 8, and so on. Look at this. All the above fractions have different denominators. Such fractions are called unlike fractions. Look at this. Okay. Show the board. Okay, student. Now, next topic, simplest form of a fraction. Okay, look at this. A fraction is said to be in the simplest form or the lowest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. Okay. Note, the short way to find the simplest fraction is to divide the numerator and the denominator by the SCF of the numerator and the denominator. Look at this. For example, find the simplest fraction of 15 upon 35. Okay. Look at this. 5 3 ja 15 and 5 7 ja 35. SCF of 15 and 35 is 5. Okay. So we divided 15 and 35 by 5. 5 3 ja 15 and 5 7 ja 35. So simplest fraction is 3 upon 7. Simplest form of 15 upon 35 is simplest form is 3 upon 7. Okay, student, look at this. Now, next topic, comparing fractions. Okay, look at this. Show the flow chart. Comparing fractions is divided two parts: comparing like fractions and comparing unlike fractions. Look at this. Okay, student. Comparing like fractions. Look at this. Show the diagram. Number of parts is equal to 16 and one part is shaded. So fraction is 1 upon 16. Second, 3 part is shaded. So fraction is 3 upon 16. 5 part is shaded. So fraction is 5 upon 16. Can you tell which fraction is the largest? Okay. Look at this. 1 upon 16, 3 upon 16 and 5 upon 16. For two fractions with the same denominator, look at this. The fraction with the greater numerator is greater. Numerator, compare the numerator. Therefore, 5 is greater than 3 and 3 is greater than 1. So, fraction is 5 upon 16 is greater than 3 upon 16. 3 upon 16 is greater than 1 upon 16. Look at this. Okay. Now, next topic, comparing unlike fractions. Show the diagram. Look at this. Fraction is 1 by 2, fraction is 1 upon 3 and fraction is 1 upon 4. Okay. For unlike fractions with the same numerator, the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater. So that is fraction is 1 upon 2 is greater than 1 upon 3 is greater than 1 upon 4. Look at this. Show the diagram. Three part is shaded and total number of part is 8. So fraction is 3 upon 8. Total shaded part is 5 and number of total part is 12. Fraction is 5 upon 12. Compare 3 upon 8 and 5 upon 12. Find equivalent fractions with the same denominator and then compare. Okay. 3 upon 8 is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6 and 8 multiplied 2 is equal to 16. Okay. And 3 3 are 9 and 8 3 are 24. This is equivalent fraction. And 5 upon 12 is 5 2 are 10 and 12 2 are 24. So 9 upon 24 and 10 upon 24, because denominator is same and greater number is 10. So 9 is less than 10. So 3 upon 8 is less than 5 upon 12. Look at this. Now, alternate method, cross multiplication. Compare two fraction numbers. Compare 5 upon 6 and 13 upon 15. 5 upon 6 and 13 upon 15. Cross multiplication. 15 multiplied by 5 is equal to 75 and 6 multiplied by 13 is equal to 78. The arrow should always be pointed upwards. Okay. 75 is less than 78 because 75 is smaller number and 78 is greater number. So 75 is less than 78. 5 upon 6 is less than 13 upon 15. Okay student, this is alternate method. Look at this. Next topic, comparing mixed fractions. Okay, look at this. Let us consider on two mixed fractions, 3 1 upon 3 and 2 2 by 3. We know that 3 plus 1 upon 3, this is 3 1 by 3 mixed number, 3 plus 1 upon 3, and 2 2 by 3 mixed number is equal to 2 plus 2 by 3. Look at this. We observe that 3 plus 1 upon 3 is greater than 2 plus 2 by 3 because 3 is greater number and 2 is smaller number. So 3 1 upon 3 is greater than 2 2 by 3. Look at this. Okay, show the board. Now let us compare 3 1 upon 3 and 3 2 by 3. This is mixed number. Look at this. Whole parts are same in both the fractions 3 and 3. So we compare the fraction parts. Fraction parts is 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Look at this. Show the diagram. Total number of parts 3 and shaded part is 2. So fraction is 2 by 3. Total parts is 3 and shaded part is 1. Fraction is 1 by 3. 2 by 3 is greater than 1 upon 3 because denominator is same and 2 is greater than 1. 2 is the largest number and 1 is smallest number. Okay. So 3 2 by 3 is greater than 3 1 upon 3. Look at this. Now next is addition and subtraction of fractions. Next topic, addition and subtraction of fractions. Show the flow chart. Adding oblique subtracting fractions equal to two parts. Adding oblique subtracting like fractions and adding oblique subtracting unlike fractions. Look at this. Show the board. First is adding oblique subtracting like fraction. Okay. How to add like fractions? First is add the numerators. Second, retain the common denominator. And third is write the fraction as. Formula is result of step 1 upon result of step 2. Look at this. For example, show the diagram. 8 equal parts and shaded part is 1, so fraction is 1 upon 8 plus 8 equal parts and shaded part is 3, fraction is 3 by 8. So add the fractions 1 upon 8 and 3 by 8. So fraction is 3 plus 1, 4 upon 8. Look at this, is equal to 4 part is shaded and number of part is 8. So add the fraction 4 upon 8. Look at this. Now it time to learn how to subtract like fractions. First point, subtract the smaller numerator from the bigger numerator. Okay. Second is retain the common denominator, and third is write the fraction as difference of numerators upon common denominator. This is formula subtract, how to subtract like fractions. Okay student, look at this. For example, find 4 2 upon 3 minus 2 1 by 3. Okay, look at this. 4 2 by 3 minus 2 1 by 3. 4 multiply 3 plus 2 upon 3 minus 3 multiply 2 plus 1 upon 3. So 4 3 is 12 plus 2, 14 upon 3 minus 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. LCM is 3. So 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. Fraction is 7 by 3. Improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. 7 upon 3 is equal to 2 1 upon 3. 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. This is mixed fraction. Look at this. Now next topic, adding oblique subtracting unlike fractions. Okay student, look at this. How to add oblique subtract unlike fractions. First is to add or subtract unlike fractions. First convert them to like fractions using the concept of equivalent fractions. Okay. Second, add or subtract the like fractions as learned before. Look at this. For example, subtract 3 by 4 from 5 upon 6. Okay student, find equivalent fractions which have the same denominator. This denominator is given by the LCM of 4 and 6. LCM of 4 and 6, their LCM is 12. So 5 upon 6 minus 3 by 4. 5 upon 6 minus 3 by 4. So LCM is 12. 6 multiplied 2. This is 12 LCM. So numerator and denominator multiplied by 2 minus 3 by 4. 4 multiplied 3 is equal to 12. So numerator and denominator multiplied by 3. 5 2 ja 10 upon 6 2 ja 12. 10 upon 12 minus 3 3 ja 9 upon 4 3 ja 12. Okay. So denominator is same. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1 upon 12. Okay student, look at this. Now next is topic adding oblique subtracting mixed fractions. Show the flow chart. Operating the parts separately and converting into improper fractions. Look at this. By operating the parts separately. Okay. First is separate the whole parts and fractional parts. Second, add or subtract them separately. And third, write the result as whole number plus fractional part. Okay. For example, find 4 2 by 5 minus 2 1.5. 4 2 by 5 minus 2 1.5. Whole part is 4 minus 2 plus fractional part is 2 upon 5 minus 1.5. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 5. So fraction is 2 plus 1 upon 5. This is mixed fraction 2 1 upon 5. Look at this. Now it's time to learn by converting mixed fraction into improper fraction. Look at this. First is convert the mixed fraction to improper fractions. Second, add or subtract them. And third is write the result. Okay. For example, find 4 2 by 5 minus 2 1 upon 5. Look at this. Example is 4 2 upon 5 minus 2 1 upon 5. 5 for the 5 multiplied by 4 plus 2 upon 5 and minus 5 multiplied 2 plus 1 upon 5. Okay. 5 for the 20 plus 2 upon 5 minus 5 to the 10 plus 1 upon 5. So fraction is 20 plus 2 is equal to 22 upon 5 minus 10 plus 1 is equal to 11 upon 5. LCM is 5 and 22 minus 11 is equal to 11. So fraction is 11 upon 5. Convert into improper fraction into mixed fraction. 11 upon 5 is equal to 2 1 upon 5. 5 to the 10 plus 1 upon 11 upon 5. Look at this. Show the example. Okay student. Thank you.